These are really cheap because I'm trying to do everything on a dime.
Right.
Because I'm trying to grow really big, and I'm trying to, and that's why I was like, I even thought I didn't want to ask my friend for money to work kind of doing for him. So I'm like, it's just, but that's very heavy. Let's try to like nudge them in slowly, and like just bring it, be the very slow movements. They're more helping the bees and like just urging them to go in. That's so cool, dude. That's so fantastic. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. You're like a natural. You're like a bee whisperer. Wait, nope, like this. Yep, there you go. That's so cool. And so what we're going to do, see, because this is a swarm, so we're going to close them up. Are they mostly in?
I got one more good handful.
Try to get them in real slow. Just try to. That was so fantastic how you just kind of nudged them in. And we'll feed these.
They're loving that sugar water.
One's being born. Right there. Right in the middle. I think so.
That guy?
No, over there, right there, your finger, right here. Right there. Oh, he just can't. See, he's stuck on the frame?
Yep.
I think he might be just coming out. Or he's dead and they're getting rid of him. I don't know. Bee. They're really cool though. They're really chill. I just can't get over how chill they are. And they're getting, see how they're thriving. They're going in this feeder. See that? They're coming in and out.
Oh, now I've disturbed them.
This is so awesome. Look at that top pad on there.
Want to put that under?
Yeah. They're so fun. It's not on there, so I can't get it.